That's the content of me failing this.
PSA, this was filmed long time ago and it was a failed project, so have fun watching me failing.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we want to try to make onde-onde. So first thing, I don't want to tie my hair because I look weird, but it's also not hygienic if I don't. So let's just bear with my not so nice angle if you see my double chin, because who cares? So first of all, you need 1 cup of glutinous rice flour. It's the wrong side. There you go, 1 cup. Then you need a tablespoon of rice flour. A tablespoon. Mix it together.
Guys, a mess, look at that. Again, be careful.
And you need 125 ml of water. And in the water, you mix the coloring and also the essence together. I'm assuming this is 125. So in this, we're gonna add the essence. It smells artificial. Let's just put a little bit, about 1 teaspoon. This coloring is so strong, you just need to add a little bit. You see, it's just few drops, it's already becoming green. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Ooh, like science experiment. I'm just gonna try it to see if the flavoring is enough. It tastes so fake. Now all my fingers are green. Thanks, food coloring. Then now you need to add the water bit by bit. Don't pour it all together at once into the flour mixture. Mix it. I know you're supposed to use your hand, but I'm just scared that my hand will turn green. Decided to use hand instead. It's taking forever using this spoon. Guys, I don't have tripod, so just make use of whatever I have at home. It's almost the same height as me. Okay, starting to look like something. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure if this is the consistency that you should get, but let's just try. Now is the exciting part. Putting the gula melaka into this. You want to take like that, big, and put this sugar inside. What happened? Try number 1 fell. Maybe we need to add a little bit more flour here. Okay, second try. It melts. Third try.
1 eternity later.
I did my first one. So this is what we have for now. Look at that. So not pretty. I'm gonna try and boil this and see what's the result. While waiting for the water to boil, look at the babies. I made this.
Coconut shred things and add a bit of salt and water, and now you need to microwave it at medium high for
Just a play date to you.
Look at my set looking onde-onde. It's supposed to be round in shape, but what shape is it?
Just a play date to you.
It does taste like onde-onde. You want to try, Alvina? Yeah! Go ahead and the other side. It does, right? But we're finishing the rest. I'm tired already of doing this. Oh, I think you need to use like the beku punya This is the result. Bring it to boil. Look at the different shape of onde-onde. Wait, where do we put the... Do you think if we put outside it will be fine? This is the final product. It doesn't look nice, but it tastes like onde-onde. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I know I don't know how long this video gonna be. I've been filming over 1 hour and a half now, and all the best to me editing this clip. So guys, I'm serious about this YouTube thing. If you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, subscribe now, like, share, comment, and do all of that. See you guys on Sunday. Bye bye.